In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. It's a very easy process, only takes about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, first up, open the passenger side door. Right there, that's your glove box. Open up the glove box. There's even a label on it indicating that that's where the cabin air filter is. Now, once the glove box is open, on the side there, you see that black arm. It's held in place by a screw. For that, we'll need to get a Phillips head screwdriver, and then let's get the screw off. Make sure you don't lose the screw, so keep it somewhere safe. Now we can get that black arm out of there. Once that's out of the way, now we can just squeeze the glove box on the two ends over there. What we're trying to do is get those two tabs out from behind. Yep, squeeze here, both the tabs are out. And then the whole glove box just drops. If you want, you can even just get the glove box completely out of the way. There's two hooks. Those hooks like latch on to those hinges over there, and the pivot's about that. Once you do that, all you have to do now is just squeeze on the two sides of the black cover over there. That's the black cover for the cabin air filter. Once you get the cover out of there, that's the filter right there. Simply put one finger in there and pull the filter out. As you might notice over here, this cabin filter was originally installed the upside down way, like it was wrong. I'll talk more about it in a second. Now, as you see, one side is very dirty, the other side is clean, because that top side is the dirty side. That's where the outside air comes in, gets filtered, and then all the filtered air goes in the car. So I'm just going to put this filter back in for now, but when you do, you have to make sure that you put it in the right way, because air comes out from the top, gets filtered, and then clean air goes into the fan over there, and then the fan pushes the air into the car, right? So when you're putting the new filter back in, make sure you put it in the right way so that the arrow for the airflow is pointing downwards. Slide the new filter back in. Now let's put the cover back in there. It only goes in one way. Make sure you're doing it the way I'm showing it in the video over here. Put it in place, one clip, two clips, and now we can put the glove box back in. You have to make sure that those hooks go into those hinge like thing over there. Once that's in place, all we have to now do is just push the glove box in so that the tabs over there, they get pushed behind over there. Yep. Once you do that, then the glove box will be held in place just like that. See, now it's not going anywhere. Now we can put that black suspension arm back in its place. Then let's tighten in the screw over there. Let's try it out. That looks good, and that's pretty much it.